Okay, so hello there guys, welcome back to R&G Forge, and today we're going to be making a V-swedge out of these pieces of 25 or inch square mild steel. Now, sorry if you can hear the rain because it's raining and bouncing off the gazebo on top of the gazebo. And so yeah, you can hear the rain, I think. But I'll just put the camera up so you can see this a bit better. So you're gonna need 3 bits of inch here, or whatever your hardy hole is. So if you have a 3/4, so if you have, okay, so you'll need a different size for your hardy, so you got the actual shank part. Now, as you know, this is inch square. This stock here, this one is the same bar. However, or 25 mil. However, my hardy is just a couple mils smaller, and so we always have to forge it down a bit. But my dad just did it with the sledgehammer here, and I was just holding it with the tongs, and he was just striking with the sledgehammer, and so it takes about 5 minutes to make one of these, because with the sledgehammer it just goes quickly. I'll play the footage now quickly so you can see that.
A parte più calda.
And okay, so you've seen the footage, and yeah, it's actually pretty fun to hold and strike and all that stuff when you just keep flopping over. But so as you can see, so the hardy shank is the size here, and it does fit the hardy. Now as you can see, this bulge here. So what this is basically is how you do this: is you get it to this stage and put it, because what I do is I hit it flat first like that, then in the hardy hit it from the top. But then this mushrooms over like this. Now what you do is take it out, re-flatten it, redo it in the hardy hole. But I just find just doing it like this and then cutting this top part off is the quickest and easiest way. And you know, I've got a bit here from old shanks, and I'll probably eventually hammer them into like some dice shape, and I'll make some cool dices. I'll keep these as well. But yeah, I just find that's way quicker and easier, and it's just a bit more effective. But you can hammer it longer if you don't want to waste the stock here. Okay, so now we'll cut this off, and then the way this is going to work is, so that's going to be our shank. Then these are going to, so the top part. So if you have a 3/4 inch hardy, or a 1 1/4 or whatever, get your right size for this. And then you need 2 inch parts, things that are going to be welded diagonally across the diamond here, like so. And then that will go on the top to form the V-swedge. So what we'll do is we'll cut this off here, and then grind 2 sides here, weld everything together, and we'll be good to go. Now if you don't have a welder, it's a bit, you know, this is probably a bit harder, and there probably are some ways that you can do this, but definitely you'd have to. It'll be more time consuming, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you'd have to. I don't know actually how you do it without the welder, to be honest. So yeah, so you do need a welder for this one, but yeah, right. Let's just get going.
Samurai sword on my back.
Nice new disc.
Don't know how to act.
Okay, so as you can see, guys, after some troubles with welding it, because it was a bit hard to hold, to weld here. The settings were a bit iffy. As you can see, it's quite a beady weld, but it did hold together for perfect. It looks a bit crappy, but it will work just fine, and it's perfectly functional. So as you can see, it fits in the hardy quite nicely. The only thing that I don't like, but it's only aesthetics, but who cares really, is that it's not completely centered with the, you know, the shank here. It's not perfectly straight, and it's a bit on a diamond, and so when you put it in, it's just a bit, you see, it's not in line with the anvil. Something I would have done different maybe was have these a bit shorter here, because as you can see they're quite big on the anvil. I might chop them off, but it would be hard really with the angle, just with the 115mm angle grinder. But it's solid, and the V is perfectly. That's the V's come out perfect, you know. And as you can see, I don't know if you saw actually, but we made it's a bit hot. We made this jig here, and it has a piece of 6mm welded on. I didn't show it on camera, but I don't think I showed it on camera. Maybe I have. I don't remember the footage. It has a piece of 6mm on the end here, and that's just for the ground on the welder to attach. And then there's a chamfered edge on one of the sides here, and that's so that this doesn't stick to the piece on the for the V-swedge. And I'll keep this and use it in future projects, because it's not only useful, as you saw. I've also, because I was welding the 25, the ground didn't attach directly to the 25 because it was too small. So when I just attached it to this, attached that to that, and like just placed it on the other 25. That's just a round punch. And that worked quite fine. But anyway, so I'm quite happy with the V-swedge. It doesn't look good, but it will work perfectly fine, and we'll use it in future videos. You know, like the main use of this is to make weave tongs, obviously, but you can use it for different things, I guess. And yeah, it's a shame it's not in line, but it doesn't really matter because it's just aesthetics. I might chop these off, but I don't know. Okay, but yeah, it's all worked out fine. You know, that kind of got melted in the forge because I was waiting for my dad to come out. And it's quite impressive that my forge can get up to welding on 25, so that's pretty good. That's why that looks bad, but it doesn't matter because it's just, again, all aesthetics. Drops in fine, and hopefully it works good too then. Okay, so I hope this was useful. I hope you liked the video, and if you did so, please like and subscribe. And if I didn't say this already, hope it was useful, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.